Changsha has consistently held the title of possessing China's largest construction equipment industry for a remarkable 10 consecutive years, and it is home to 5 of the world's top 50 construction equipment enterprises, including Sany, Sunward, CRCC Sinoboom, and Zoomlion. Furthermore, the exhibition features the participation of over 300 enterprises from Changsha, each showcasing their exceptional core strength. This is the largest diameter shield machine made in China, and its face is a packing opera mask. What is it like to operate such a machine? You'll find out in the VR experience area. These two are adorable. Check this out. It's pink.
这个智慧大脑实际上就是我们的基础施工智能